Today's reason for market optimism was last night's revelation that American retail sales jumped 17.7% in May, the biggest monthly rise in history, following the 14.7% fall in April. So maybe it'll be a V-shaped recovery after all, thought investors. Here's a chart of US retail sales, and as you can see, there's still a fair way to go for the V to be completed and for sales to get back to where they were. But it was definitely a big improvement, and it does suggest that American consumers are bouncing back. So the US stock market bounced last night, nearly 2%, the third rise in a row. The Australian market followed suit today, and some of the bigger gains included A2 milk, car sales, Vicinity Centres and Beacon Lighting, up more than 20% after an upbeat update. BHP was a rare fall after news that Chief Financial Officer Peter Bevan has quit to pursue his own personal ambitions, as the announcement put it. To replace him, they've hired CSL's top bean counter, David Lamont. ANZ Bank's Economics Department has revised their forecast for the Australian economy upwards. Instead of a decline of 4.7% in GDP this year, they're now forecasting minus 2% because the shutdown response was not as extensive as they expected, the health outcomes were much better, and the fiscal response has been material. Here's what they think quarterly GDP will now look like on this chart here, and it's not quite a V, is it? The Australian dollar took a tumble overnight, down to 68.5 US cents, but it got back to 69 today, and all the commodities went up, especially oil and base metals. And that's finance. Thanks for watching. You can check out more finance news by clicking there, and don't forget to click subscribe down there to get all the latest updates from ABC News.